country on the as such. Sometimes some mere incidents may be there, isolated incidents may be there. By and large in India, no persecution as such, and this is the greatness of our country. Chirapuradan Bharat, Nityanudan India. That means we are not closing our minds. Technology come, we welcome it. It is not a stagnant one. Certain religious concept says no, not even a single word is changed. India's concept is that whenever new things are coming, technological things are coming, innovative things are coming, we are not closing. That is why the spirit of our constitution, of course, is the Chirapuradan, ancient and most modern, Chirapuradan and Nityanudan Bharat of India. We will have to go our greatness in improvement. We are far ahead.
प्रजासत्ताक दिनाच्यो सगळ्या गोंयच्या जनतेक उलोवणीत परबीं प्रजासत्ताक दिन आमी मोठ्या व्हडल्या दबाज्यान पुराय देशभर गोंयभर सगळी कडेन मनयता. आयच्या मेन फंक्शनाक गव्हर्नराच्या बरोबर हांव हजर आशिल्लो. सातत्यान आमी कॉन्स्टिट्युशनचो विशय हो पुराय देशभर सगळी कडेन चर्चा जायत आसतना सुद्दां म्हणजे आमी कॉन्स्टिट्युशन 75वे हे मनोवपा खातीर वेगवेगळे कडेन वेगवेगळे कार्यक्रम आयोजीत केल्ले आसा. म्हाका दिसता संविधान लोकांपर्यंत पावप, संविधानाचें म्हत्व यंग जनरेशनाक कळप होच उद्देश आशिल्लो. त्या खातीर आयज परत एकदा ह्या प्रजासत्ताक दिनाच्या निमित्तान हांव परत सगळ्या गोंयच्या जनतेक उलोवणीत परबीं